So let freedom song rage here. Most people in this country, unfortunately, don't read beyond the headline. But that City TV, like that's a big problem. But I want to note something from the article here. The impact of the impact of Europe is independent dependence on Russian energy has already increased policymakers, aversion to being similarly dependent on another regime. For example, China. Recent developments are sure to cause additional worry in Berlaymont, and you know, the Asian companies are far from the only serious challenger, but a challenger to Europeans heat pump manufacturers like Bosch, Wolf, or Viessmann. The U.S. Senate right now is specifically preparing a tax credit to strengthen the domestic heat pump manufacturers with the explicit aim of exporting to Europe. By spurring U.S. heat pump manufacturing, we can lower emissions, cut European dependence on Russia, and create jobs at home, explained John Hickelberg, a Colorado senator co-sponsoring the Heating Efficiency and Affordable Through Tax Relief Heater Act. The bill, initially put forward in early May, would spur domestic job creation by requiring equipment to be manufactured in the U.S. to qualify for the proposed tax cut, said in its main sponsor, Minnesota Democratic Senator Amy Klobuchar. Exporting U.S.-made heat pumps to Europe has been made a project of the EU-U.S. coordination. The sides also discussed options to reduce Europe's demand for natural gas, including the deployment of heat pumps. Read the statement. So this is big. Putin is trying to use his natural gas in order to control, and make everybody have to dance along to his song. It's his leverage, obviously, that he's been using and weaponizing. And here we are, you know, we're doing something to, about it. We're creating heat pumps in order to break the back of Europe's, dependence on natural gas. Putin can only do this kind of shit for so long. I mean, yeah, he's getting payments in rubles right now, but he doesn't realize what he's done, and I don't think the market realizes just how determined people are to fight back. So what we're seeing in the EuroCFTA TV is that already the U.S. is about to create a tax credit for manufacturing heat pumps, it's specifically with the aim of exporting them to Europe so that we can break Europe's dependence on natural gas in order to, break Putin's threat, you know, to make Putin pay punishment.